I recently conducted a fitness and nutrition workshop for an organization's Employee Wellness Day. We did team building exercises and learned how to incorporate healthy eating habits into our everyday lives. My name is Coach Fanny, and you can book me to conduct your next health and wellness workshop where it will be fun, informative, and interactive.
Good job.
Calories per serving, but this box gives you 8 servings. You just ate all 8 servings, which means you ate 800 calories. You didn't eat 100 calories, and that's how people gain weight, because they're looking at it like, oh, it doesn't, but you ate the whole thing, like, or you ate enough for 8 people. All right, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and vegetables make you tired and want to sleep all the time. Is that true or false?
False.
That is false. We assume that things are healthy just because it says low fat or no fat. Flip it over. If you